Hey there, quick review and demonstration on this Best Choice Products 6-foot folding table. As you can see here, you get a handle on the top. Whenever you want to use it, it kind of locks together. So you want to flip it over on its side and then pop it apart by pushing it apart there. You can see it folds like so. I'm going to go ahead and set it on the ground and unfold it. It'll support itself like this if you just kind of leave it folded. Pop the legs out. It's got your pretty standard bar supports as you would find with most folding tables, but then this is called a gravity design, so it actually supports itself whenever you flip it over and set it down. There's nothing special that you have to do. The gravity itself makes it all kind of just click together. And here we've got a 6-foot table. This is perfect for our family get-togethers. In the documentation, it says that this table will support 300 pounds. I'm 180 pounds. I can get on here and bounce around and it feels perfectly sturdy and safe. So it is very strong, and that gravity aspect of it does work just fine. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend putting that kind of weight on it all the time, but you don't have to worry about it breaking or something like that having a family picnic. The big reason I wanted this table was because when we have family get-togethers, we always use this size table, and whenever we store our other one downstairs, it means I have to carry this big thing up the stairs. With this, it folds in half, so it's much easier to maneuver around. As you can see, we'll pop it together, turn it over here. You can see everything clicks together really well. You want to make sure the handle is popped out right there. But now I can carry this downstairs and put it back away into storage, whereas before I had this huge long table to try to maneuver around a tight staircase, and it just wasn't ideal. So this is going to work great if you want to pack it away in a vehicle for camping, something like that. It's just a lot more convenient versus a truly 6-foot long table. Being able to fold this thing in half works really well. It's got a fantastic finish on it all the way around, easy to clean, works really well. I'd highly recommend it. Best Choice 6-foot folding table here, really nice product.